Taking a closer look at the text tool, you can create text that also travels vertically down by selecting the last option there. You can also increase the distance between the lines by increasing this value here. The other values, the kerning, horizontal kerning, and vertical shift, I don't normally touch those. They don't always have the effect I want them to take. But you can play around with the spacing between line tools, letters, words, and the rotation, as well as the vertical or horizontal orientation without expecting too much unpredictable behavior. I'm going to wrap these around a circle right now and make a circle to which I'm going to wrap my text around. It says, this is not currently a path. So what I want to do here is change the object to a path, and at this point I can select the text, the path, put the text along the path, and I have a section now that is wrapped along a path. I can rotate it around by dragging it, and you can adjust the contents of the text by simply selecting it as you normally would. You can also remove the text from the path. You can remove the text from the path to return it to its original direction.